Kung aksidenteng na-open mo ang video ko, I hope you already understood what is mutual fund. Sana napanood mo na ang video ko about definition ng mutual fund. Kung di mo pa ito napapanood, I recommend na panoorin mo muna ito. Hi everyone, this is Nelson Brano. I'm the author of Financial Entrepreneur, founder of Pinoy Millionaire Mind Club, and a financial educator in IMG. Maybe you're planning now to start investing in mutual fund kaya mo na-open ang video ko. Again, I would like to remind you here that before making any investment, it is really important that you have to define your goals. Your goals will determine where you are going to put your money to invest. It will also be your guide how long you are going to invest your money. May mga nakakausap ako na hindi clear with their goals, but they are very excited to invest in mutual fund. This will be hard for them to consistently invest their money dahil they don't have a clear goal. Parang wala lang, nag-i-invest lang kung kailan gusto. Naniniwala ako na ang pag-i-invest sa mutual fund is for those people who see themselves as long-term investors. That's why it is really important to define your goals tulad ng retirement fund, college fund for kids, dream house, dream car, dream business, or dream vacation outside the country with your family. Kung alam mo na ang mga goals na gusto mong pag-ipunan, it is easy for you to understand which investment vehicle that is right for your goals. Isa sa mga investment vehicles ay mutual fund, and it has different types. Isa-isahin natin. First, bond fund or fixed income. These are funds that invest in government securities. I will borrow the definition of bonds here from the book of Mr. Randall Chongson, Money Manifesto. Bonds are contracts in which an investor lends money to a borrower. As compensation for receiving the money, the borrower agrees to pay interest. Bonds issued by a sovereign state are known as government securities. May mga projects ang government natin na kailangan ng pondo kaya sila nag-i-issue ng government securities to investors. Kung ang goal mo ay short-term lang, like planning to invest for 2 years only, you can invest your money here. The objective of this fund is stability plus reasonable growth with the estimated average earnings of 6% per year. Second, stock or equity fund. These are funds that invest in a variety of stocks. This fund is invested in blue chip companies like PLDT, Jollibee, San Miguel Corporation, and other big companies. Of course, these companies needed investors in order to expand their business. That's why they issue shares to investors. Kung ang goal mo naman ay for long term, like planning to invest your money for at least 5 years, and you are an aggressive investor, I recommend this type of mutual fund for you. The objective of this fund is long-term capital growth with the estimated average earnings of 18% per year. Dito ako nag-i-invest dahil ang goal ko for my money is for retirement na gagamitin ko naman after 20 years pa. Third is balance fund. This fund combines profitability of equity investment and the stability of fixed income instrument. This fund is just a combination of bond and stock. Para sa mga moderate investors na ang goal ay at least 5 years pa din for their money, this fund is right for you. Pwede mo ditong invest ang college fund for your kids. The objective of this fund is medium to long-term growth with estimated average earnings of 12% per year. Dahil alam mo na ang types of mutual fund, you can now start to act on what you have learned today. Pero kung sa tingin mo kulang pa din ang knowledge mo, the thing that you must do is to invest first in financial knowledge by educating yourself. If you want to learn more about personal finance, you can message me here in the link below this video. Kung sa tingin mo din na nakatulong itong video ko, just click subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and loved ones. If you want to suggest a topic, you may leave a comment below and I will try to feature it in my next video. Lastly, to get an update on my latest vlogs, you can subscribe in the link below to receive an email from me regularly. Let's be friends! Bye!